Hello, friends. How are you? I hope you all are good. You all are fine. Friends, we all know that money is one of the most important thing and most essential thing in our life. But money is not everything. Money is only a thing. No doubt, if we have money, we can live our life happily. If we have money, we can be satisfied. If we have money, we can fulfill most of our desires. Friends, it is commonly said that money can't buy happiness. It is true in one sense, but in other sense, we can buy or get happiness through money. If you have money or if you are rich, you are financially strong, you can help someone who is in need, who is poor, who is in any genuine problem or trouble. By helping others, you can get a peace of mind and real happiness in true sense. You can feel it. Thus, if we use money in proper way, we can get everything in our life. Money, if used in wrong way or for selfish purpose, then money can't give you a real happiness. Some greedy people can follow any wrong path, like smuggling. They may become a corrupt people to get money. The person who is being controlled by money becomes angry, frustrated, depressed, and loses his control. When there is a loss of money or any kind of things related to money, families having this kind of person in their family have always fight in family members over money matters. Money can also make your life full of sorrow, tension, loss of a relationship. If money is not utilized in better way, but money can also make your life full of happiness, peace of mind, good relationship if it is utilized in better way. So do more good deeds, good work if you have money. But if you have not much money like me, I am poor. But if you have any skill, good skill, or any good talent, or any good quality, then you can help others. If you have much money, you can donate to organizations like Manukta Di Seva Society Ludhiana, and there are so many other NGOs which are doing great work and needful things for poor people, needy people, old aged and helpless people. If you have money, you can pay school fees of the poor child who is not able to pay his fees or her fees. Really, you will get true happiness. Do good, and good will come to you. Now it is your choice how to utilize your money. It is your choice how to use your skill, your energy, your quality, your time. Friends, if you like this video, you can share this video with your friends. I shall be highly grateful to you because I am nothing without you. See you in the next video. Thank you.